right? So what we are discussing today? Helping verbs.
B form.
Yes. So helping verbs. What is meant by helping verb? A word which is talking about subject and the main verb. Simply we can say a word which is connecting the subject and the main verb. So it is like a bridge. It is like a bridge. Right. So under the helping verbs, we are discussing be forms, do forms, have forms.
Do form,
be forms, do forms, have forms. Good. Right. So first, what are the be forms are there? Am, is, are. Am, is, are. Be forms. Be forms. Right?
Yeah.
Was.
am, in,
So am, is, are.
be form.
Yes, be forms. Right?
Yes.
So am, is, are in the present tense. Present, past,
Present.
future. Right?
Yeah. Yeah.
Bhutkal. Sorry. Bhutkal, Vartaman Kal, Bhavishyat Kal. Right? Bhutkal, Vartaman Kal, Bhavishyat Kal. So past, present, future. Right? So am, is, or in present tense.
Present tense.
Right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Was, were.
Yeah.
Was, were in the past.
Past.
Right? So just understand that this is present. Our body is present. Front is nothing but future. Back is nothing but past. Past, present, future. Past, present, future.
Future.
Right? So am, is, are. These are the be forms can be used in present tense. Was, were in the past tense.
Past tense.
Right. So I'll come to future little later. Okay. So now come to have forms. Sorry, do forms. So second one is do forms.
Do, did,
Do,
did,
does, do, does, did. These are the three forms. But do, does in the present tense.
and did,
Did past.
Did in the past. Correct. Did in the past. Right. So now have forms.
has,
Right. So what
Haven't
are the have
has.
forms are there? Great, great, great.
Will. Will.
Have,
and
Will.
had,
has. Right.
Has.
So have or has. Right. So what about the past? Had.
Had.
Right. Had.
Had.
Right. So just now we discussed present tense, past tense.
Past tense.
How about the future? How about the future? Simply,
shall,
exactly.
shall,
Yes.
will,
Shall or
Will.
Great. Right? So, these are the helping verbs we can use in framing sentences. Okay? B forms: am, is, are, was, were. Am, is, or in the present tense, was, were in the past tense. Next, do forms: do, does. Do, does in the present tense, did in the past tense.
Is the past
Have
tense.
forms: have, has in the present tense,
Have,
had
has,
in the
present.
past tense.
Past.
Have is the past tense.
Clear?
Yes.
So in the future, only shall or will. Okay. So now let us talk about where we have to use am, where we have to use is, where we have to use are. Was, were, do, does, did. So where we have to use all these things, right? So where we have to use all these things, we can observe one by one, step by step,
Ready?
right?
Kunasa.
So, have you ever heard pronouns?
I'll
Pronouns.
I, we, you.
He, you, he, she. It, they,
Right? I, we,
he,
We,
you,
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 he,
two times you, he, she, it,
he,
they,
it,
they.
they.
right? So I, first person singular. First person singular.
Singular.
So what is the plural? Ekvachan, bahuvachan. Right?
Bahuvachan.
Singular, ekvachan, plural, bahuvachan.
Sir,
So
bahuvachan.
I, we, you. Second person singular, you, plural also, you. Third person,
You.
he, she, it.
He.
Third person singulars, they, plural. Third person plural. Right?
Right.
So first person singular and plural. Second person singular and plural. Third person singular. Third person plural. Right? So first person singular. Second person, first person plural. Second person singular. Second person plural. Third person singulars and third person plural. Clear?
Okay.
Right. So now how to make the examples. First, I'll give you one example. Try to change with some other word, some other subject. So, I am listening to
English.
English class. I am listening to English class. Right? So, what is the subject here? First person,
I.
singular.
I.
Right? So if you observe, I, right? So this is the first person singular. I'm using the same one, first one, I, right? So what is the helping verb I used here? Am,
Am.
right? So
Yes.
I am listening to English class. Okay? I am
Yeah.
listening to
Listening
English
to
class.
English class.
What does it mean?
मैं
May,
इंग्लिश क्लास में हूँ. इंग्लिश इज इंग्लिश सीख रहा हूँ.
सुन रहे हैं.
right?
Listening.
Yes. Right. I'm listening to English class.
English class.
Right. So now what we are going to do is, I'll change it to from I to we. Okay. We are
Listening.
English class.
English class.
We are listening to English class. Great. Right? So here,
Hmm.
what did I change? Only 2 words I changed.
Yes. Well,
Correct? So here I am, but here we are.
we are.
I, singular. So we have to use singular helping verb am. I am. Clear?
Yeah.
Next, second one. We means more than one. 2 are more than 2. We all people. Right? So we
Yes.
are listening to English class. We are listening to English
English
class.
class.
Great. Now, third one. You are
Listening to English.
You are listening to
English class.
English class. Right? You are listening to English class.
English class.
You are listening to English class.
English class.
So here,
Yes.
only 2 words changed. You
Yeah.
are.
Are.
I am. We are. You are. Clear?
Yes.
Right. So now the fourth one. He is
Listening to English class.
He is listening to English class. Right? So here I changed. What are the changes here? You will be able to see. Subject has been changed. He. And the helping verb is also changed. Is. Right? He is listening to English class.
English class.
Right? So first one, I am listening to English class. Second one, we are listening to English class. Third one, you are listening to English class. And the fourth one, he is listening to English class.
Yes.
Right? So now I'll give you the last example for the day.
They are listening to English class.
They are listening to English class.
English.
So what are the changes here? You will be able to see. They are.
Are.
They are listening to English class. Right?
Yes.
Now tell me, what are the similar words? What are the different words here? So yesterday we've identified what are the similar words, what are the different words. Correct? Now try to identify what are the similar words here.
Subject and verbs are changing and listening to English class is same.
Right?
Same.
So from the verb, the rest of the whole sentence is
Same.
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 Right? So what are the things we need to keep in mind? Only subject and
And
helping verb. Only 2 things we need to keep in mind. Understood how simple the English language? Right? So it is very easy, but we are not focusing on that. Right? That's why I said, give me 100% effort. I'll change you whatever you want to become. The way you are talking, you can automatically change. Right? So whatever the problems, vocabulary is a problem, no issue. Grammar is a problem, no issue. Sentence formation is a problem, no issue. Pronunciation is a problem, no issue. Only thing, try to put 100% effort. Okay?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Only two things. If you observe here, I have given 5 examples. In the 5 examples, only 2 changes. Subject, helping verb. Nothing else. Everything
Helping
is
verb.
same. Right? So as simple as it is. We can learn English with a lot of fun. No need to worry about that. Right? So now, shall we try a different example?
Yeah.
Right. So I'll give you one more example with I. Then you can change from I to we, we to you to he, and they. Okay? Right.
Okay. Student.
I'm a student. I am a student.
Student.
Right. So just change it to next subjects. Just use the next subject and helping verb. Subject and helping verb. The same way. So I'll ask one by one. Try to give me the answer. So first, Gopalji.
Huh?
Yeah, give me your answer for this one. Use with we.
We are a student.
Very good. We are
A student.
students.
Students.
We are students. Right? So now, yes, correct. So Kavita ma'am,
You are student and students both.
No.
wow, correct. You are student, you are students.
Students
Correct. Both
also.
are correct. What a student. So here we are using singular. Right? So now, Ramesh ji,
Yeah.
example after example.
They are students.
He,
Is.
He
Is.
is
correct. He is student. He is a student.
he is a student.
He is a student. Correct. Next, Richie ma'am.
She is a student.
Great. Vasudha ma'am.
They are students.
Very good.
There are.
They are student. Right? So I'm a student. We are students. You are a student. He is a student. She is a student. They are students. Right? So we missed one thing here. If you observe,
It.
we missed one thing. It. We did not use it. When we can use it? It.
Third person.
Yeah, third person singular to indicate he means masculine gender. She means
Yeah.
feminine gender. It means it, neutral gender. Neutral gender means non-living things, objects, right? So it is a book. This is a book. It is a book. Both are correct. It is my watch. It is my mobile phone. Right? So it can be used to talk about things,
Non-living
objects, exactly, non-living things. Okay, so these are all indicating the human beings. Okay, so it always indicates non-living things or objects. Okay,
It use
Clear?
rain. It is a rain.
Sorry?
Rain. Rain के लिए भी आता है ना? Rain. It is a rain.
It's rain.
It's
Train.
rain.
It's a train, yes. It is a train.
Rain is a non-living thing.
Yeah, train is non-living thing. It's an object, right? Are you getting me? Hello? Are you
These
getting
and
me?
that also can be used for non-living subject, no?
Yes, ma'am. Only non-living subjects. All right. So it can be used for non-living things as well as objects.
Object.
Right. And in the place of it, this, that,
At.
those, these also can be used. Okay. But I'm not, if I give all these things in the same class, you may get little confused. That's why I'm not giving all these things, right? So I'm giving the primary pronouns, personal pronouns, simply we can call them all, right? So personal pronouns, okay? So if you go with all these things in one stretch, it may be a problem for the new learners, right? So that's why I'm going slowly, step by step. Okay?
Yeah.
Clear? Right. So now, I'll give you one more example. Later, what you're supposed to do is, you need to give me a small table kind of thing. Okay, I'll tell you what is the table and all. Let me give you one more example. So this time I'm going with he. In the previous examples I given, I started with I, right? I'm a student or I'm listening to English class. These are the two examples I given. Now I'm going with third person singular, right?
Yeah.
He speaks English. He speaks English.
English.
So now try to change it from he to first person singular, second person singular, third person singular. Next, first person plural, second person plural, third person plural. I'll give you the subjects. Accordingly, try to change that. Right. So I, we, you, he already there. She, they. I, we, you, she, they.
She, they.
Yes. So now, one by one. So first, Vasudha ma'am. Vasudha ma'am.
Hello.
Yes, ma'am. Give me your example.
Huh.
With I. Same example. He speaks English. This is what the example I have given. Try to change.
I speak English. I speak English.
Very
Speak.
good. Yes. I speak English. Great. Next, Ramesh ji.
We speak English.
Great. We speak English. Good. Next, Kavita ma'am. You speak English. Great. Next, Richie ma'am.
She speak English.
The
She speak English.
right.
She speaks.
Speaks English. I'll tell you why. Next, Gopalji.
They speak English.
Very good. They speak English. So if you observe, there is a slight difference here. Right? Particularly verb. Right? So here I have written, he speaks English. Here also I have written, she speaks English. In all other conditions, I speak English, we speak English, you speak English, they speak English. Right? So what is the difference here? Why I have written there as speaks, in all other conditions as speak? Right?
Third person.
Third person singular, present tense. If you are talking about third person singular, present tense, verb plus yes or es. This is the rule. Okay.
Okay.
So, if you are talking about third person singular, present tense only, not in all other conditions, only present tense.
Only present tense.
Not in the future, not in the past, only present tense. Right? Present tense, third person singular. Third person singular only, not the plural again. Only singular. Right? So, what are the third person singulars here? He,
They speak English.
no. He,
No.
she,
He, she,
it.
they.
Right? These are the third person
When
singular.
we talk
Okay.
about gender,
Yes. So, whenever you are talking about these three things, he, she, it.
It.
This condition only, you have to add yes or es to the verb. So, here we added s. So, what is the actual verb? Speak. Right? So, what is the actual verb here?
speak.
So, this is the actual verb. Right? So, here if you observe, she, third person singular. Right? She, third person singular.
Speaks.
Here also, he, third person singular. That's why we just added yes. Correct? Understood? So whenever we are talking about he or she in the present tense, right? We have to use yes or es to the verb. Clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. So I'll give you one more example, a similar example. By then we can easily understand that. I do speak English.
English.
Then please change it. Now Rishi ma'am,
Yes.
change it with we.
She.
We.
Okay.
Go with we.
We.
Yeah.
We do speak English.
We do speak English. We do speak English. Good. Now, Ramesh ji, you. Go with you.
You do speak English.
Great. You do speak English. Right. Next, Kavita ma'am. Go with he. Kavita ma'am, are you there? Right.
He does.
He does speak English.
Correct.
He does.
Does. He does speak English. Great. Great. Correct. Next. Vasudha ma'am. She.
She does speak English.
Great. She does speak English. So have you all given the answers?
It does speak English.
Right. It does.
It does.
Right. And one more thing. They.
They do speak English.
They do speak English. Clear?
Yes.
Right. So here, if you observe, there is a small difference. So here what I say, we need to add yes or es to the verb. Correct? We have to add s or es to the verb. But here, do or does. Is it a main verb or helping verb? Do, does. Is it a main verb or helping verb?
Helping.
Helping verb.
But here I said we have to add s or es to the main verb. But here we are adding to the helping verb. Why? Why we are adding yes or es to the helping verb here? Right. See, sometimes, listen carefully, sometimes do forms or be forms or have forms act as main verbs. Okay, they act as main verbs sometimes, not always, sometimes. Okay, sometimes be forms, do forms, have forms act as main verbs. So here do is helping verb, but here do is main verb. I do speak English. I do speak English. Speak is not the main verb here. Okay? I do speak English.
मतलब मुझे इंग्लिश बोलना चाहिए.
Not बोलना चाहिए. I can speak English, right? So I do means I can. So here they are expressing their capability, right? I do speak English, right?
बोल सकते हैं.
Yes, बोल सकते हैं, right? So he does speak English. They do speak English. Speak is not the main verb, but they are expecting, they wish. They are talking about their capability, their interest, simply we can say. right? So that's why do acting as the main verb. Do forms, be forms, have forms also act as the main verb only sometimes, not always. Here there is no
Yeah.
helping verb, correct? Is there any helping verb here?
No, no, no.
Right, there is no helping verb. Here there is no helping verb, but here the helping verb itself acting as the main verb. Got it? Understood?
But what is better to use I do speak English or I can speak English?
I can, I can means you are talking about, yes, I can speak English. Right? So you are expressing your capabilities. You are showing that I can.
Yeah, yeah.
But if you say I do speak English, you are telling
But it's
them
confirmed.
that, yes, you are telling that I know
Other person.
Speaking English.
100%.
Yes, I'm also able to
Okay.
speak English. Right. Correct.
Okay, okay.
Right. So now, is this concept clear for you all? Any doubts regarding
Yeah.
this concept?
No. Clear.
No.
Right. So for
Clear,
tomorrow, what you supposed to do is, you need to draw a small table, right? So you need to draw a small table like so I'm just giving you a simple idea how to draw the table. Okay, so it is not the notebooks or the lines little bit it's not the correct way, it's not in the correct order, right? So just try to understand. Okay. So this is the way you can draw the table. Here what you can write is person, right? Person, right? So first persons, singular, then plural. Okay, so here I, we. Okay, so here second person, here third person, right? Third person singular, sorry, second person singular and plural. Third person singulars. Right? I'm trying to write with touchpad, that's why it's not neat enough, right? So try to draw the table like this and try to add the helping verbs. For example, I am, correct? Was, correct? Next, we are. Were. Like that, try to give the helping verbs for all the pronouns. Draw the table and try to give the helping verbs for all the pronouns. Right? So that is one task. Beside this table, you can give the examples, at least 2 examples for one pronoun. All right? So 2 examples for one pronoun. For example, for I, 2 examples. Right? For example, you, 2 examples. Right? He, she, it. For he too, she too, it too. Got it? So try to draw the table and try to give the examples. Understood?
Yes.
Right. So this will be your homework for tomorrow. If you get any doubt while drawing the table, you can ask me, no problem. Okay? If you get any doubt,
Sir,
you can, yes, please.
As you tell to talk in front of mirror, my question is what I talk. I don't know.
So what should I talk? You don't have the concept. That's why you are not able to talk. Right. So whatever the concept we discussed so far, we just prepare this chart. Right?
Yeah.
After preparing this chart, try to just assume that there are students in front of you.
Yeah.
Try to explain it. What is this table? Right? So what is singular? What is plural? What is first person, second person, third person? Right? So how the examples are changing. Right?
Yes.
So we can use this. We can use this.
Okay, sir. Yes,
so,
good idea.
For a couple of days, mostly 1 week or 10 days, I'll give you this kind of basics. Then after, I'll give you the actual content in the sense there you are going to speak. So there I'll provide you hundreds of topics. Every day you will get different topic to talk about.
If I won't get any person to talk in English, I will call you.
Yeah,
every
definitely,
day.
Ma'am. Always, always welcome.
15 minutes I will talk with you.
And one more thing, if I'm in the classroom, I can't be able to answer.
Okay, no, it's fun. I talk with you with fun.
Definitely, ma'am. Always welcome. Any one of you can call me. Always welcome.
Okay, sir.
Fine.
Okay.
Yeah.
Bye.
I will note this chart. I will note this chart. I will note this chart.
Yes, ma'am. You have to write this chart and you need to prepare the chart and try to give the examples. Right? So if you have this chart with you, if you, after 10 days or after this course, if you get any doubt, you can refer once. Right? So try to write down the, writing is a very important aspect in learning anything. Right? So try to write a table, draw a small table. Then 2 examples for each pronoun. Clear?
After writing, I have to post in group?
Yes,
Should I post in group?
So it's a nice idea. You can post in the group also.
Okay.
By then, next person can understand, what are my examples. I can refer with another one like Gopalji or Ruchi ma'am or Rameshji. Right? So what I have written, what they have written, we can exchange the information also. So it will be easy for us to understand. So you can post in the group. It's not a problem.
Okay.
Right?
Okay. Bye.
Bye-bye. See you all. Good night.
Good night.